Take a look and see how much junk we got in there. So we got to turn it off. To do that, just going to come here, hit this button. Wow, there's a million mosquitoes here. Come here, hit this. Bam, done. Get out of here before we get eaten alive by mosquitoes. All right, not bad. So take it over here, and then I got to, we'll dump all that stuff out of there. That's what we got out of there. Look at that. All right, so here we are, and now we've got to take it apart and get all that junk out of that. So I want to lift this up. To do that, I want to make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn that and then pull this off, just like that. Set that down. So this is all the junk that's in there, right? That's pretty good, huh? So we're just going to dump that out on the grass. I'm just going to throw it out on the grass. You know, just try to get all the stuff out of there, just like that. And then we'll get the hose and we'll squirt it. So we'll get the hose. And now that's clean, right? Clean this one. Now, you can just pop this off and clean it, right? Just like that. Okay, let's see. Looks pretty good, right? That looks pretty good. Drain it out a little bit. And then this is just going to go right back on there. Want to get all the stuff off of it. And we just turn it, right? Bam, done. And this, we want to get this front part over here, right? See that? See that right there? Get that right on this thing right here. Right there, and then turn it, and bam, Bob's your uncle. All right, so this thing's ready to go. Ready for the next cleaning session. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this.